Hello there, back again, a continuation of the previous video. This is the SAM is now cameras powered up, so we shall pop that disc in. Now what usually happens is there's a motor spinning noise. I'm not sure whether the light came on or not, but anyway, there's a motor spinning noise and nothing else happens. I did put the wrong size belt on when I was trying desperately to get it working, and that didn't work either. But anyway, this is with the new belt. Alright, okay. Now my next problem is, that does seem to be working. Next problem is I don't actually know what the commands are for the coupe to read or do anything with the disc. But this has arrived in the post. The manual that I didn't have. So if you bear with me for a few moments of intrigue and interest, go put the kettle on, do whatever you like to do. This camera's a pain in the neck. I might leave it at a jaunty angle. What I'm going to try and do is format or read the disc, which I don't know how to do. I haven't looked it up, I haven't read about it, I don't know anything about it. Engine control, sound, interface, yeah, no I don't. What would disc be under? D for disc. Communication error occurs, expanding, making text, graphics, sound, light, advanced, SAM, everyday basic. Beginner software, okay. Run save 22 run a program, type run. To save a program, type save, quotations, now the program, close quotations, press return, make sure the mic cable is plugged in. Well, that's fantastically jolly lovely, but that's cassette and I'm not using cassette, I'm using disc. Disc. So let's try again. Advanced basic. Would it be advanced basic? Chapter 4, Chapter 5, colour and palette. Chapter 6, text and graphics. Chapter 7, music. Chapter 8, sound. Chapter 9, expanding. Chapter 10, memory. Disk memory and disk drive 115. It's a long way away. Oh, they didn't ship the disk drives, did they? That's why. That is why. Disk drives. It says a choice of one or two ultra slim disk drive units can be slid inside the front panel of the SAM Coupe. These removable consoles. These are removable consoles, and each one can accommodate 1 megabyte of memory on a 3.5-inch disc, offering 780 kilobytes per disc after being formatted. Discs offer a very fast saving and loading of programs. They are the most convenient way of storing large quantities of data. Blah de blah de blah. Take full advantage of the extra speed of discs, the extra speed and memory. Removable disk drives. Learn a few commands. Boot loads DOS from disk and allows you to use special DOS operations. Boot loads DOS from disk. So does that mean it doesn't have DOS on it? Format to prepare a new disk for accepting data. dir, move, erase, device. If I type dir, what's it say? No DOS. Brilliant. So it can't use DOS without loading DOS from disk. So I can't even format it. It's a bit like the Apple II then, which loaded Pro DOS from disk. Move, which shuffles files around. Move. Move what? I don't know. Whatever you like. Boot. Ooh. Ooh. Searching the disk. So the disk obviously works. I'll give you a tip, Sam. You can't because there's no software on there. Loading error. You're absolutely, completely and utterly correct. So it works. My floppy works, I think, probably. What if I type 10? I broke the tab. Well, anyway, doesn't matter. I'm fab. Okay. Save that to me. That's how do you save? How do you save to disk? Enter. Start. I don't want to start tag. No, I don't want to rename either. Save. Save. Me. How do you specify? This book's rubbish. How do you specify disk? Disk drives. Machine code. Peek. Poke. For example. Save name code. Load name code. Machine code. Available memory. MIDI memory? What? Screen memory. Print free. Print free? Does that work? Per int free. What the hell does that mean? Tells you how much memory is available for basic. Look, how do you format? How do you save to disk? Would it be surf for saving? So save is on 160. 160. Save glossary. Save a string. Don't want to save it. Don't want to save any string. Why would I save some string? What else have we got? Save. Page 115. Okay, 115. Using disk drives. Yeah. Save. And then 25. Do you know what? I bet it won't do anything without DOS. Which is a bit, Software. Save. Type save. Open quotations. Name. Press return. Sound Coupe will recognise the program to cassette. Blah blah blah. I don't want cassette. Oh, so I can't do anything without bloody DOS. How can I get DOS? How can I get DOS? How can I write something to disk? Well, that's very interesting. So what about format? Format command. Must be a format. Must be able to do it. Must be able to A, B, C, D, E, F. Format 115 and 114. 115. Distro using it, yeah. Also the one 115 and what did we say? 144. 144. Glossary. Format only works with discs. Really? That is all you're going to tell me? That is all you're going to tell me. Okay. In keys. Well, yeah. So really, yeah. Format. D1. No, don't like that. Format. Me. Oh, med. Oh, balls. Shut up. Med. D1. No, don't like that. Med. D1. No, don't like that. Format. Format. No, don't like that. Oh, I don't know. Boot. You can see the disc lights on. Camera's on a tripod, that's why it's at a funny angle. So what, yeah, this is a waste of time. So what I'll try to do is, what will I try to do? What will I try to do? I'll try to make a sound disc with the PC somehow. And see if I can boot something. The disk drive seems to work. It spins and makes all the correct noises. And that is a 71mm drive. A 71mm drive belt by 0.6 by something, 6mm or something. I'll put a link to it on this video if people need them for the sound. I haven't tried the +3 drive belt. I've got one and I'll put that away for a rainy day if I do need it. But this seems to work just fine. So I'll leave that there, as there is absolutely nothing I can do with it. And I'll see if I can make a disk in Windows. You probably can. I think there is a program for writing DSK images directly to floppy in Windows. If there isn't, I should be very surprised. There is for most of the things. Right, I'll leave that there and we shall continue at a later date. Thank you very much. Good night, God bless, and Merry Christmas.